Hey there, Batman fans, Batman Federally Batman here back. Thank you guys. Today, Batman fans, back. Welcome back to Mario Party 1. In the last episode, we completed Mario Rainbow Castle, and now in this episode, we're going to be going ahead. We're going to start the next world. Alright, let's see. We're going to have Luigi. We're going to have Yoshi, so happy. And Wario, really miss. Alright. Let's have it on normal this time. Alright, let's see here. Let's do Luigi's Engine Room. 20 turns. There we go. Alrighty. What's this? Oh wow, go second. Okay, cool. Wario going second. Oh, Wario, the white miss going first. Mario died second. Luigi third. And Yoshi so happy going first. Alrighty, let's do this. Oh, there's the first star right there. Alright. Alright, save and return. Alright, let's see. Wario was 2. Mario time. That's it. Luigi rolls a 4. Red space. Yoshi, so happy. Rolls a 7. One miss 3. And we got roll over. Alrighty. We got Wario. Wow, Luigi only got Wario, though I missed. 8 coins. Wario, though I missed. Okay, blue doors. Okay, red doors are open. Wario. Rolls a 3. 1 point mini game. Yep. And mini game is Pedal Power.
Start!
Alrighty. Wow, Wario. The white mist.
Yes!
The white mist. Wario. Wow. Okay. Mario time. Luigi. Rolls a 3. Alrighty. Yoshi, so happy. Rolls a 4. Oh boy. Alright, 4-point mini game. Buried treasure. Awesome. Buried treasure. Okay, sorry about that, my fans. Let's continue. Alright, Mary Treasure. Let's go! Let's go! Let's find a treasure chest. Must be here somewhere, must be here somewhere. It's over here, over here, over here somewhere. Over here, over here. Found it, found it. Got it. Yep.
Finish!
Got it. Mario wins. Of course, Mario. Of course, Mario. Wow, first minigame. One on normal there. Okay, so sorry about that, fans. Let's continue. Alright. Now the boulders are open. Wario. Those are mine. Alright, let's see here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, need a 1, 2, 3. Got it. Cool. Have a chance for the first star. Take number 2. Okay. Yoshi, so happy. 7. Anyway, Batman fans, if you enjoyed this video already, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel for new, hit that bell to turn on all notifications, more videos. Shout out to my Batman fans out there. Subscribe to the channel, appreciate it. Visual by Batman fan, or Batman, and let me know in the comments section. Follow Batman fans, what video games you subscribe, what video games you enjoy seeing me play, enjoy seeing me play next, and yeah, Batman fans, if my Batman fan, or Batman playing some Mario Party 1, doing Luigi's Mansion Room, Part 1, and yeah, Batman fans, let's continue. There we go. More play minigame. Box Mountain Mayhem. Alright, bonus minigame.
Start!
Let's do this. There we go.
Finish!
Nice. Alright, how many coins? 15, wow. Yoshi got 15. Yoshi, so happy. Alright, we're first place by 10 coins. Red doors are open. Wario, hold the line. Alright, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6 or higher. Got it. Star number 1. First star of the board. Yep. Awesome. Awesome. First star of the board. Alright, next star occasion. Right over there. It's on the other side, where Bowser is. Oops. Blue doors and red doors. I think I'm waiting on a happy space. Yep. Luigi with 7. Yoshi. 5. Four-point minigame. Crazy Cutter. Alright, Crazy Cutter.
Finish.
Okay. 91. Alright, Batman fans, that's gonna do it for this episode. If you enjoyed this video, Batman fans, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to the video, hit that bell to turn on all notifications, more videos. This is your boy Batman, See you, Batman fans.